Wala na yatang tatalo sa versatility ng chicken. Talaga namang sandamakmak na luto ang pwedeng gawin dito.
At syempre, bawat isang bansa ay may kanya-kanyang paboritong chicken recipe. At isa na nga dyan ang Portuguese-style peri-peri chicken na ipinakilala sa atin ng Peri Peri Grill House.
How did you conceptualize? Paano naisip na i-introduce ang Portuguese dishes sa Philippines? Who thought of that?
Well, the owner of the restaurant loves to travel abroad, and he stumbled upon this peri-peri recipe, and he felt that it would work here in the Philippines. And being also a foodie himself, he really loved it. So it's something to share for the Filipinos. So there we have it.
And the sauce is special, of course.
The sauce
the
is
peri-peri
special.
sauce.
Yes, because it has the African bird's eye chili.
Mhm.
So if you try it, it has a bit of like a licorice flavor.
I agree.
So it's unique. It's not your typical Tabasco. No, it's when you put it, you have to be careful. It's hot. Actually, for a beginner, for a hot sauce, I think this is pretty safe.
Yeah, I even don't want to call it hot sauce because it's a very unique peri-peri sauce.
Yes,
That's
it's
it.
true.
And it will come from mild to daringly hot.
True. Yes,
and this is
that's
for
right.
sale, isn't it? That's
Yes,
the best part of it.
for sale. The mild and the hot peri-peri is for sale. It costs 75 pesos per bottle.
So people who enjoyed it in the restaurant can actually bring it home along with them
Yes.
and enjoy it at home.
Peri Peri is actually the local name of the African bird's eye chili, which is the main ingredient in the sauce that customarily accompanies this Portuguese chicken dish. The Peri Peri chicken is split fire or grilled over lava rocks, a process that removes as much fat from the chicken as possible, making the Peri Peri chicken healthier compared with fried chicken.
Miss Kay, ano yung pwede mong mai-recommend sa akin kung ako ay first timer dito sa Peri-Peri?
For peri-peri, I highly recommend the peri-peri chicken. And the other foods that I would like to recommend is the crispy taco platter, the grilled shrimp salad, the combination fajitas, the espetada, and the grilled salmon.
Mula sa isang fast food style joint noong unang inulunsad, Peri Peri Grill House has evolved into a polished, casual dining restaurant, serving a wide variety of tasty dishes that go well with its exclusive Peri Peri sauce. A reinvention that has definitely figured in the restaurant's staying power.
Paano naman to? Siyempre, mga Pilipino, iba yung
Oo.
taste ng Pilipino. Paano mo naman tinatanggap ng mga Pilipino yung ganitong thing? Alam ko sobrang sarap, pero paano tinatanggap?
Well, for the Filipinos, madali naman nilang na-accept yung flavors ng Portugal kasi actually parang it has this Spanish influence, which we also do. So what really is parang a burst of flavors in your mouth, parang kumbaga it's very well accepted by the Filipinos.